I don't think I've showed you guys the new place. So let's have a look. So you got the entryway. All my Puma stuff. And you got the living room right here. Nice little plug there. All right. Okay, so this is the movie room. There's Alf. He's got his own little video games there. So the projector's up there, and then it just goes on the screen right there. You got all the comic books in here. Boxes are under there. Well, kitchen, which is, you know, a kitchen. Foosball table. Then you get the bedroom. Built that as my little closet there. And then the bathroom. Yeah. Just a normal kitchen. Then I'll show the office. These are just watching the news. See what kind of bullshit's happening now. You know? More comic books under there. More comic books down there. All my Deadpool stuff. Some Wolverines. My Funkles. That phone there is when I go live on TikTok. Yeah. So that's the place.